Hey everyone, personal trainer Eddie here from Samuelson University, coming at you with another Training Tip Tuesday. Today's is going to be over the pec fly and the rear delt fly. So right here we have the machine itself. It's a great way to target your chest, getting a nice, good concentric squeeze in those chests, or getting the back portion of those rear delts. So how it's going to work is, when it comes to the pec fly, you have 3 settings, adjusted accordingly to what is most comfortable for you and allows you to get the full range of motion. And then for the rear delt fly, there's one adjustment. You have to push all the way towards the back, allowing for full range of motion to the back of the rear delts. We also have adjustments for heights. So let's say you're going to go for a fly and you're just too short. The machine should be at shoulder level and allow you to do a complete full range of motion, really feeling that squeeze at a comfortable way. Just simply go underneath the chair, pull on a lever, coming down, coming up to where you are shoulder level with the handles. So how this machine works is you just grab by the handles, and depending on where you're positioned, you get either the rear delts, the back, upper back, or your chest, depending on what you're doing. Let's say you're doing a chest fly, you'll be sitting down, facing forward. You're gonna bring those hands together, grabbing those handles, meet in the middle, really think about squeezing, contracting that chest as much as you can. You're gonna keep going back and forth for several reps. The opposite is gonna be true for the rear delt fly. Doing a rear delt fly will help you open up that chest, basically stretch out the chest that you just worked on for the pec flies. So for the rear delt fly, you'll be facing towards the machine, towards the weight. Then from there, you grab it by the side of the handles. Your hands should be starting out in front of you. Then you come all the way back, squeeze that back, making a T with your arms, squeezing that back as much as you can, getting a nice, good contraction for your upper back. Pec flies are great for building a big, nice chest. If you find yourself doing a lot of chest shoulder exercise, you'll find yourself leaning forward, coming forward into a worse posture. A rear delt fly will help that, by opening up that chest and helping with any imbalances when it comes to leaning forward. Thank you for joining me for this Training Tip Tuesday. If you have any more questions, please feel free to email us at fitness@asssu.edu or visit our website for more information.